Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be opening this box I got of something new. It'll be unboxing and reviewing. So, I'm just going to open it. There, let's see if that's good. I'm going to have to cut this side as well. There, I think that should be good. Okay, now after a bit of difficulty, I got it open. So let's pull out all this bubble wrap. Right in here is what I bought. I'm just going to move the rest of this out of the way. Voila! And here it is. It's my brand new Athearn ready to roll Southern Pacific GP40-2. So we're going to review this today and test it. So I'll start with the box overview. It's a nice looking box. It has a very bright DCC ready sticker. Has some interesting design artwork on the front. Here is the other side. Just very simple. Here's the top. It's also nice and very simple. And then here is the other side. This engine cost about 80 bucks. And now, let's go to the unboxing and, well, how to unbox this engine. To unbox it, all you really have to do when you first buy this, as with my other one, is to remove the seal on each side. Flip this back over. Pull this cover off. Pull this out with the engine in it. Slide off this cover. Can be a bit difficult to do it at first. Pull this open. Pull that off. Remove this clear plastic sheet here. Remove these little bit of foam bubbles. If I flip this thing around, you can see that they are also on the other side of the engine. It can be kind of difficult to get out, it seems. And there is that one. And then you just pick it up, and you can set it right there. Alright, so I got the engine all set up on the track for a detail review here. So, first I think I'm going to start with the nose. I really like this grab iron up here. I think something about it I don't really like is this horn. Seems a bit bland. I like the grab irons on the front and all this detailing here. I do have a problem with this handrail here. It always pops out. The trucks I really like. I really like the detailing along the side with the handrails and every little grill detail on the side of the car or engine and doors. I'm just going to take it off here. Here's the back. I really like how well the handrails are applied, as well as how the back end I really like the back end of this. The other side is basically the exact same as the other side. And I'm just going to pick it up and share something I don't like. It's very bland on the bottom of the engine, so you can expect, I just rather like it to have something nicer underneath there. So let's just give it on to a bit of a running test. Okay, so let's just give it a bit of a test. It seems to run very well. I have headphones on, so I'm not sure if you can pick up the sound, but it's very quiet. It looks like the engine stutters have been in reverse. Not sure if that's just my model or if a lot of them do that. But I probably won't be running it in reverse a lot, so that shouldn't be something I'm worried about. So I'd just say before getting these, you should definitely break them in. I've already done that with my model. So basically just give it a variety of different speeds and sudden stops so that it will run better in, well, later in life, and you will have less problems with it. So with that out of the way, let's hook this engine up to a train, and let's just get some clips of it running around. Thanks for watching this review, unboxing, and running session of my new Athearn GP40-2. And if you want to see another video of a Southern Pacific style engine, that's a 1/3 scale engine at the Billy Jones Wildcat Railroad, click on the screen around now.